Hey everyone, it's Kelly. I had to share this with you before I start my video. I'm out on my walk this morning and Bob, our friendly alligator, is sitting on the edge of the pond down here in Florida. So I just had to share that with you. He's everybody's friend as long as you don't get too close. Hope you enjoyed. Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed that little video of Bob, our alligator. I thought I would share that with you. He's quite the celebrity here in our area here. So today I'm here to share with you, I know I put out a video yesterday of this necklace that I made, and I'm here to share with you all my other pieces that I have made too, from the bargain bead box, January 2022 romance. So here is the one that I showed you before. I can't tell if the light, okay. When I look up it, I can't tell if the light's good or not. So here, I'm just going to describe these more in detail. So I took this little piece and I attached it with a bead cap and a copper jump ring. I attached it to this and I turned this upside down. It was supposed to, you know, most people did it like this. I did it like this. And then I used this bead wire and attached it right there and right there. And I created, so I had two strings going through here. So then I just did a little separation there just for a little more detail on the necklace. I love, you know, pieces have a lot of detail on them. Then I attached two chains starting right here. And then it just came up. I did use a few of the copper, these copper fire polish beads were from a couple months ago of the dollar bead box. So I did do that. And then some of these black Miyoki seed beads, 11Os were mine. And then I did the toggle clasp. So, and I will put up a picture of these on bus at the end. I took some really good pictures because I'm about to put this stuff up on my Etsy store. So here's the first thing. Let me set this over here. Now the second one, I absolutely fell in love with this. It's probably different from what you would think you would do, but I ended up turning this upside down and put the rows like this. And then these little beads right here, I don't know if you're getting a flash or not. So these little tiny beads right here, I glued them into these little holes for a little more sparkle. So I did this, and then I attached, oh, this stuff is snagging right here. I might have to remove this. One second, I'm just gonna have to remove this. Okay. So I did this. It is for some different, and then I put the little beads in between. I put a copper wire in that inside that little rose, and then I used a head pin and just put a hoop on each side to put that through. And then I used the beads there and the spacers and all that. Then I used the 3 flower seed beads, and then I added the toggle clasp to the front. So, and then I used this again for this. So I just thought this was so cool. Just thought it looked so different from everything. You know, I was like, again, I turned it upside down instead of using it and dangle stuff off there. I just thought I'd try something different. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, so I didn't end up doing a video for this one because I thought if it would have not turned out right, I didn't want to have it on video. So this is this piece then, right here. I think this turned out nice. So I got that. Then I made 1, 2, 3, 5 pairs of earrings. So these are my first ones. Let me get these. Hold on 1 second. Okay. So these are the first pair that I made. Let me get there. Okay. Come on. Okay. So these are the first pair that I made. If you can see them right there. So what I did was I used all those, and then these were mine. I had extra of these, wanted to dangle something from them. I used the copper ear wires, and then I used this, and I attached all this like that, and I put a little crimp bead up at the top to connect it, and then just dangled this here. So I think this one turned out really pretty. And I like them because using the beadle on, they're very lightweight. So it's not like you're gonna put them on and they're gonna rip your ears, your earlobes. So I have these. Then my next set is, I'm kind of dragging them so you can see what they look like when they're dangling. These are my next ones. So I used, again, the chain that they gave us and the little sun charms they gave us, these. I just kind of attach this. I thought these turned out really pretty too. I will have pictures of all these again, like I said at the end. So these turned out really pretty. I was happy with these. Then number 3 is, did these. They're just really cute earrings here. I love the way these, oh, it snagged on my finger here. I love the way these turned out. Okay. Love the way these turned out. Really pretty. So I got these. Now these are really funky ones, and they look like they'd be heavy, and they're actually very lightweight. Is these. I kind of, I took that beadle on wire, so I kind of left it dangling on the end of each one. So I just took 2 strands of this, of 2 different lengths, and I just attached it up at the top, and then I put this bigger bead right there. So it's just, if you can kind of look up at the top, it's just got the 2 wires right there, and then I put them through there, and then they are just different lengths dangled. And then again, I have the copper fire polish bead from a couple months ago, but everything else, and the black, a few of the black beads, because I wanted to add a little bit of black to some of these, that it looked kind of cool. So yeah, so these, I love the way these turned out, and they're very lightweight, just, you know, different, a different look to them. And then the last ones are these right here. We had, I think we had 4 in total of the toggle clasps, and I used 2 of them. So I had 2 left, so I ended up dangling them and making earrings out of them. I thought they'd be kind of different with these, so just kind of a cute little pair of dangle earrings. So I think I loved this box this month. I think everything turned out really great out of this box. I loved the red and the copper, and you know, I think all that just was so pretty. Like I said, I'm usually really happy with bargain bead box. I wasn't a fan of when they did the rose gold one, but I made it work. And I got some of those other pieces out. And this, I will say, I think this turned out to be my best piece out of all of them. I wasn't sure. I was like, okay, what am I going to do with this? I wanted to do something different. And then I loved this too. So let me know down in the comments what you think of all these and how you like this month's box if you get it. I'll leave the link to the bargain bead box down in the description below. So you let me know. Thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it, and also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let me know in the comments how you like this and if you would like to see any other types of videos. I do have a series I'm going to be working on probably in February. I want to do one where I take art and turn it into jewelry. Because I also paint, and I have some paintings, and I wanted to go outside and do some videos of nature and turn them into jewelry. I thought that would be really cool, something different. I haven't seen that really yet, so let me know if you'd be interested in that in the description below. So you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links are below. Just click on them to take you there, and I also have an Etsy store that's below. And thanks again for watching my video, and see you soon in my next one. Have a great day.